You know what time it is? It's tool testing time. Alright, back with some more tools. These right here is drills, battery powered drills. Kobalt. Figured I'd make another video right here so we can see you test these tools out and see, you know, see how they're working. See, I mean, you know, as best we can from not having them in a work situation. At least we can take a look at the batteries, if nothing else. So here is two different drill sets. These are these Kobalt Brushless. These are two different things. They don't come in this is two different. They're two separate items here is what this is. So on this first one, you can see it's got a little more wear, but you can see the battery's charged up. It's got a green light and it doesn't have a bad signal like it's a bad battery with a red flashing red light saying it's bad. Anything red, there's nothing red. It's all green and it charged all the way up. It's solid. It's solid green. That means it's charged all the way up. So it's a 24 volt brushless drill. Let me see if I can read the model. I noticed yesterday my eyes just aren't doing as good as they once were, and I might not even be able to see this one today. I tell you, I might have to go get a magnifying glass on it. It's a K. Oh my goodness. KDD 524B03. I think yesterday I called one an 8 when it was a B, or vice versa. So that might be an 8. But anyway, it looks like a KDD 524B03. This is a 1/2 inch brushless drill driver. Kobalt. Let's plug in the battery here. Snap that in and we'll see how it's working. That's in forward. Foot to reverse. Forward, I wasn't back out enough so you can even see it working. Anyway, as I've noticed with all of these tools I've been testing, all of them. Variable speed depending on how fast you pull the trigger. Look, I'm going in a slow mode. I can give it wide open. Okay. Now past that, you've got this adjustment on top, which I'm assuming is kind of the same thing. It doesn't seem to be much difference in my opinion, but you know, for whatever it's worth, you adjust this. I mean, I don't understand it, man. I really don't. I guess it keeps the top end down or something. And you got two gears on top here. One and two. Two goes faster. I can see that by just testing that tool just now. Now, let me unplug this charger. Just so you know, this charger's smaller than that one. And it's a KRC 244503. That goes with that set. Okay. Now we'll plug in. Let's plug in this one. This looks like an impact driver. Let me see if I can hold the camera and plug it in at the same time. Sometimes this gets a little tricky. I want you to see it just like I'm seeing it, okay? Alright. Now, that's flashing green. I charged this up before, so we have a notification right there that that battery did go a little bit dead just within maybe the last hour or so. Because I had come over here and I had charged this up. But I mean, you see, I mean, if it went to 99% or something, because it took just a flash or two and then it went back solid green. Okay. All right. Battery on this one, I didn't tell you the battery on that other one, but I think it was a little rougher to see. I think these are the same batteries. It is KB22403. And like I said, this set appears to be in a little better condition. So this is a impact tool, I think is what they call this, the impact driver. Brushless impact wrench, 3/8 brushless impact wrench, model KIW 3824B03. Kobalt puts a number on those. Put a number on there. Tools, man. I want you to. But anyway, here's the Kobalt impact. So it's got a light. It's got some settings right here, 1, 2, and 3. Forward and reverse. It's drilling, it's impacting. Okay. So there's your Kobalt sets. Those 2 Kobalt sets right there. Be back with more soon.